CNN. The short court, which was sent to Supreme Court by Trump's lawyers on Thursday, reveals the arguments of why state court made an unprecedented decision last month. The court should reverse Colorado decision because President is not subject to Chapter 3 because President is not a civil servant within scope of Constitution, said. The Trump team argues that if other state courts, state officials follow the leadership of Colorado and exclude possible Republican presidential candidates, the promise of chaos-free release. He says. The Colorado Supreme Court said last month that Trump was not appropriate to be carried out in 2024. In 2024, because the ban on the 14th change covers his behavior on January 6, 2021. The Colorado decision was waiting for decision U.S. Supreme Court and best election official state. 2024 Presidency Primary Votes in Republican Voting Pus. Trump's name. The votes given for him are not counted. In the Colorado case, oral arguments are planned to be held on February 8. Republican allies. If Trump is removed, we recommend a fear parade in addition. On Thursday, Parliament Speaker Mike Johnson, Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell and other GOP MPs supported the back of Trump in the High Court. In a summary, court friend. Republicans argue that Colorado Supreme Court Colorado enters power Congress by allowing Constitution to be implemented without allowing Congress without Congress. The Colorado said he will direct the bases to call the bases to label political opponents as an uprising. Unda. He added. A group of GOP Foreign Secretary also called on court to prevent the disqualified candidates of state secretaries. Any other consequence leads to a predictable and unfortunate fear parade, they wrote. State secretaries, partisan selected authorities. If you can determine who meets the wide provisions of the third section, there is little significant assurance that prevents abuse. A disqualification decision will probably cannot be reviewed and will be taken without constitutional protections in which our system is given in much less important moments. If he deserves some constitutional protection, perhaps the disqualification for a ballot of votes. This summary was presented by Missouri, Alabama, Arkansas, Idaho, Indiana, Kansas, Montana, Nebraska, Ohio, Tennessee and Western Virginia. A Maine judge sent this case back to Maine Foreign Minister and ordered final decision of Colorado case to wait for final decision of Colorado case. Judges throughout the country closely follow this case.